Many businesses in the Philippines still rely on paper forms for daily processes and reporting. Paper-based forms can be delayed, misplaced, or difficult to track, especially when handled across different teams. For field-based industries, delay in submitting physical forms can slow down reporting and decision-making. Fareclock replaces manual paperwork with digital forms that can be accessed and submitted anytime, anywhere. With Fareclock, workers can complete structured digital forms directly from their mobile devices, ensuring consistency and accuracy. All submissions are automatically stored in Fareclock, making it easier for admins to review and track information in real time. Fareclock forms can support inspections, incident reports, and daily operational logs across different departments. By using Fareclock Digital Forms, businesses in the Philippines can improve efficiency and eliminate paper-based delays.